The flashing blue light on your EE-TV box after a reset is a clear indicator that something has gone wrong during the startup process. This flashing blue light typically indicates a boot loop or initialization failure, meaning your box cannot complete its normal startup sequence. To understand what's happening, we need to know the difference between normal and problematic blue light behavior. During normal operation, you'll see a solid blue light when the device powers on and initializes, followed by a pulsing blue light as it connects to network services, and finally a white light indicating normal operation. However, when you see a continuous flashing blue light, this signals a problem. The device is stuck in a loop, unable to progress through its normal startup sequence. As of 2025, this flashing blue light issue remains one of the most commonly reported problems among EE broadband customers, affecting various EE-TV box models, including the EE-TV Box Pro. There are 4 primary causes behind this flashing blue light issue. Let's examine each one to help you understand what might be affecting your device. Network configuration issues, particularly DHCP conflicts, are among the most common causes. Here's an example of how IP address conflicts can prevent your EE-TV box from connecting properly. Recent firmware updates, including the version 2.4.x series, have aimed to improve stability and include automatic recovery features. However, the issue persists for some users, making it essential to troubleshoot methodically to identify the root cause. When your EE-TV box is stuck in a flashing blue light boot loop, start with these immediate troubleshooting steps. These simple actions resolve most common issues quickly. Next, check all your cable connections. Ensure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to both your TV and the EE-TV box. Also verify that your Ethernet cable is properly plugged in. Verify your router connectivity by checking if other devices can connect to the internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, ensure the connection is stable and consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for better reliability. If the basic steps don't work, try a factory reset. This will restore your EE-TV box to its original settings. You can usually access the reset option through the settings menu if the box partially boots. For advanced troubleshooting, check your network configuration. Some routers, particularly Virgin Media Hub 3.0 and Hub 4 models, can have compatibility issues with EE-TV boxes due to DHCP conflicts. Try switching between Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections to isolate network issues. Also check the EE service status in your area, as regional outages can cause authentication failures that appear as boot loops. If these troubleshooting steps fail, it's time to contact EE customer support. Look for these warning signs that indicate hardware problems requiring professional intervention. According to technical experts, approximately 60% of EE-TV box boot loop issues are software-related and can be resolved through proper reset procedures. The remaining 40% typically require hardware intervention or complete device replacement. EE has implemented enhanced remote diagnostic tools and proactive monitoring systems to identify and resolve boot loop issues more quickly. However, if your device shows signs of hardware failure, don't hesitate to request a replacement through EE customer support.